Hello everyone, my name is Raven, and welcome to Raven67854 Gaming, and welcome to part 2 of our Introduction to Java 7 tutorial series. And in this tutorial we're going to cover comments, and we're going to look at creating both multi-line and single-line comments, and we're also going to look at why they're important. So what are comments? Well, comments are portions of line in our code that are ignored by the compiler and are purely for other people. So, for example, this is a single line comment, and as you can see in Eclipse, it's green. And this is obviously, of course, if you're using the default theme. It might be different if you're using NetBeans or Sublime or whatever, but this is completely ignored. The compiler cares very little to nothing about it. Comments have a lot of uses in the sense that, for example, if you want to comment out a section of your code, you could just do that, and now this will be ignored. And if we go up here and we run this, it'll save it, and as you can see, nothing happened. And we can remove it, and we'll run it again, and there you go, our hello world is back. Now if we want to look at multi-line comments are very easy. And then we could just hit enter, and you can see that Eclipse will automatically create new lines for us, and a multi-line comments. So could put this all on separate lines, and again it makes no difference. We can compile, there's no errors, no nothing. So comments are purely for the person, and I wanted to cover this early on because I want to stress that please use comments. You'll be amazed at how you'll go back to earlier and older code and you look at it and you go, yeah, I have no idea what this does, and you spend time figuring it out. Just leave yourself a comment. Then you could just look at it and go, and right away you know what it is, and then you could just move on with your life. However, they're also very important if you're working in a team where you might have 5 or 6 or more programmers. Comments are very useful in case the other person might not immediately look at the code and go, oh, I know what this is. Okay, so that's what comments and how to use them in Java, and we'll also cover other stuff like this bit here later, and what it is. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, which will cover variables. And as a reminder, if you have questions, please stop by my forums. You can check the description for a link to the site, which will also lead to the forums. There should also be a link to the forums. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter.